Joke.
Mong background man ang itom.
Joke lang.
Koy, where are you? Where are you, baby? Koy.
Pwede pa kanta.
Wala mo minag... Inaog na, be? Koy.
Ah, sige.
Oo, kuya.
Ito yung isang.
Karon kanta-kantahan ko nimo. Koy. Can you fuck me hard today?
Minsan, parang di pag-ibig ang sagot. Kahit na sa pag-isa'y napapagod. Aanhin ko ang paghahanap ng magmamahal. Kung ang sarili ko ay di pa masaya, mabuti nang mag-isa nang makilala ko muna ang sarili. Pag-ibig muna para sa akin, mabuti nang mag-isa nang di ko sa ibalungkot sinisisi. Kailangan ko lang ako muna.
Sa dili siya ganang itom yung blow. Wala pa.
Minsan, alam kong lungkot ay kakato.
Koy.
Ngunit, kailangan kong tatagan ang loob.
Maisahan.
Ani ko ang pagbibigay ng pagmamahal.
Jason don't like a dark skin daw.
Kung ang sarili ko'y mapapabayaan, ano po? Mabuti
Jason
nang
don't like a dark skin.
mag-isa nang makilala
He don't like black.
ko muna ang sarili. Pag-ibig
Because
muna
Lou is black
para
daw.
sa akin. Mabuti nang mag-isa nang di ko sa ibalungkot sinisisi. Kailangan ko lang paano kung magmamahal kung di ko kayang alin ako ngayon. Bukas mapapagod din lang. Mabuti nang mag-isa nang makilala ko muna ang sarili. Pag-ibig muna para
Low.
sa akin. Mabuti nang mag-isa nang di ko sa ibalungkot sinisisi. Kailangan ko lang pag-ibig. Kailangan ko lang pag-ibig. Kailangan ko lang ako muna. Okay po. Karon.
Itom lagi.
Dili guys ganang
Uy,
itom.
nga na, majit mining.
O kani.
Uy, RS, ano ba si Jason dito siya ganang anong dito nganong dito si Alo sa
Grabe
yaha.
siya, uy.
BFF.
Hindi ko anjo ni
Ano si Jason dili ko ganang itom. Ana pud silo tagip-tip man ni. Tagip-tip man ni dili man.
Datugi ra gud na.
Oh, tagip-tip din, alo.
Datugi. Charot. Ano, kantahan na ba kayo? May
Pimples na, oh.
Ako muna, happy birthday.
I miss before when my baby fucked me like that.
Perfect.
Koy, I want you to fuck me like that.
Oy, ang galing ni Jason kumusta? Wala siyang sakit?
Uy, magkantahan na tayo mamaya. Be, seryoso na tayo mamaya.
Yeah.
Okay?
Giyaan ba emili mo? Sumbagon tayo.
Dili unya mo.
Tama na si
Muhammad.
Yakit na akong isa.
Mapakita lagi nag-utin ron. Bahala dyan yung drawing. Nabi mag-akyat-akyat niya. Magpakita
Yakit na
gutin.
yung isa ko. Kakanta.
Hi, good morning.
Kita nag-utin kay Jason ron. Bahala mo diha.
Dito, kadugay mo.
Di ba ganahan si Jason nag-utin nga itong.
Pagkawa. Uy,
La.
yakit na yung isa ko.
La. Koy. Look at me. Ah?
Hindi mo inakyat yung ano ko.
Long.
Bagay lagi taron na. Hi, everything.
Long.
Happy birthday.
Ibal.
Kanta ako, pwede ba?
Di hara ka Jason. Kaya di may ganahag ito.
Di ara ka Jason ha.
Di
Gara-gara.
hara ka Jason. Kaya di may ganahag ito.
Lo, ibalhin ko kung di ka. Ibalhin ko.
Kung di ka gusto mo itong kang samo.
Kung di ibalhin mo itom lagi.
Yawa kayo maingog itong. Dili ko ganahag itong.
Alam mo, may itsura ka ano, pero may attitude ka. Charot lang.
Uy, joke lang.
Ito bipit, bago kang bilang.
Uy, where you so handsome ko? Koy.
Mayroon akong nais malaman.
Ano po niya ugat-ugat na kanta mayo?
Maaari kang magyawa.
Grabe no.
Alam mo ba,
Ugat na po siya.
matagal na akong umiibig. Matagal na akong naghihintay.
Don't mind RS, that's our background.
Ngunit meron ka na
Background music.
ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin.
Binayot na po ka ha.
Kung ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang ang maginahan mo. Nandito ako.
Why, kinikilig ako po.
Ibig sa'yo, kahit
I really fall in love with you.
nadurugong
Can I wait for you?
puso. Kung sakali
Can I wait? Can I wait?
iwanan ka niya,
Can I wait you make to fall in love with me? Can I wait you to fall in love with me?
Why did you just say you want me to wink with you?
Talking? I thought you are deep.
Nandito ako,
Ang say deep.
sa'yo, kahit na nadugo ang puso.
Ang say deep na.
Iwanan ka niya,
Ang sakit to? Ang sakit to, lo?
huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
You're so handsome. Can I give everything for you?
Putok yun na to.
Can I love you?
Sakaling
I want to love you. You're smiling.
May nagmamahal
You make me stressed today.
sa'yo, nandito ako.
Da. Ang galingan din mo. Ginayot na po.
Bakit putok yung blush on mo naman? Nag-aaga.
Ang aga mo eh. I can't remove it.
Kay,
Ano na already.
What can you say
I wash
to
my
your mother,
I wash
beside
my
you?
face na already. It's my natural beauty.
Sorry, Aris, I don't understand you both. You both talking each other.
You but
I'm not bottom. No. Charot.
but ano ko?
But ni mo ba? Kung lubot.
I really
Lubutan
don't
pa
know.
rin na.
Kay why is handsome?
Lamilay ka lubutan ko.
Dumi kay da chupa no.
Lubuton. Ikaw, ako sa likod, ikaw sa harap.
Sige.
Ready, go.
Koy.
Si Luna, no.
How old are
Sa'yo
you, Koy?
tira-tira, ha?
28?
Maghintay pag may
28 years old.
tira-tira.
27?
27 years old.
Ginoo ko, marami takag pa umangkon eh. Na auntie naman tanig sa'yo.
Ko, you said you can't understand the word I say.
I can.
You can't?
Why you muted ko eh? Why?
Talk to
What are you
me. I'm
doing
talking
there?
to you.
You doing jackals?
I said earlier, what can you
Jackalins.
say about your mother beside you?
Yeah, they say I'm your mother.
Mock you.
I'm still young.
Tess,
I'm
inuot
just
na nakatawa ka, Ate Tess.
I'm
Patunggan
still
sa
young.
katawa, Ate Tess.
Dahil, bisan pag mag-mute ka, Tess, dunggan gihapon ka na.
May comment ko dyan siya mga katawa ba?
Uli
Ay,
na
pagkuhan ba kay naglababay na siya karon. Samok mo na.
Muli
Wait,
nang
sa-
ta
oy.
ko ba?
Huh?
Muli nang ta ko abida niya si pabayro.
Ay, RS, wala pa ko katulog. RS, sukad gabi kay ang team.
Masisinglon ta sa guard ba?
Isa.
Muna dia kasi kag video
Si
call niya.
Aris na imong
Wana kay
Pasangin
padala
na,
bulagan na ka. Sama na.
Nga, bahala ka diya.
Ano? Wala pa ko tulog.
Koy, you don't have girlfriend, Koy? You don't have girlfriend?
You know what? Koy is playing with us. Koy can understand
Yeah, Koy.
Bisaya because he's from
Boyfriend.
Davao.
You have boyfriend?
Okay, naman ko malay sukad.
Yes. 3 boyfriends.
English na siya. Dili na siya
You
kasabot.
want auntie?
Dili na siya kasabot.
Top, bottom, versa. Charot.
Koy
Ayoko
is
naman.
ano?
No, just
Asa
listen
nilahi
to me
anak niya?
first. I'm just learning Bisaya because my brother is from Bisaya, from the Bali state.
Why are you
Mindanao
pointing
siya,
at
Mindanao.
princess?
Tess, pag English ba? Sabot lagi kay Kaday. English ba? Okay. Ito yung bisita.
Again, Koy, what did you say earlier?
Yeah, I just said I'm learning Bisaya because my father is from Davao City, so I have to.
Tudloan mo ko na yun.
Have you been born and raised in Davao?
Ang lain mo kay kamanudlo.
Sirahon daw ko niya.
Grabe
So
na ako blush on, uy.
you're born and raised there in Canada. Am I right?
Ano man ni, uy?
Because I thought you understand Bisaya. And I think
don't
Tagalog
just
as well.
I'm not really good at that. I just got few words to speak it up.
Lo.
Also, that's
Lo.
another thing.
Tipdas man
Koy.
siguro ni.
I see. BFF. BFF. Koy knows a little bit of Bisaya. You know Ulok? Koy?
Oh, yun ang ulok. Ano ulok?
You know Ulok?
Ulok with the
Princess
with the,
want to
with the hole.
eat your Ulok.
Bisaya, ano ulok?
Yeah. You know
The
what?
ulok is the head of
Lahi pa ato ba yung nakalaki
No, it's
ko?
the hair. It's
Nakalaki
like
ko
banana.
nakalaki
Peel the
ko,
banana,
isa
the
na ko.
ulok inside, perfectly done.
Lami ko rin nigutin si Kuy, no? Si Kuy, no? Kuy. Is it your dick is dark or like that or it's like
Yung titi daw
when
may
I saw
libag.
you, I always imagine your dick looks like
You really wanted to see my man?
yeah. Okay, later I'm gonna can I pee?
Are we here all together just talking about nasty things, or maybe you would really wanted to see my manhood, isn't it?
Patay mo na.
Yeah.
Yaya daw siya ni Koy. Yaya. Koy, Princess is your yaya?
Yeah, you know yeah.
Yaya.
I don't know ha, pero first time I saw Koi. He's very beautiful. He's like I like his skin, you know. For me, you're perfect.
Ah, you wanna fuck him? Perfect.
Yeah. Saan mo akong blush on? Uy, ugahip
Koy,
din ba?
if you're a bayan, what bayan?
Dili na
What
ni
are
blush
you?
on ba? Ugahip na ni Day. Hi, Muhammad.
Koy, if you're a bayan, what are you?
I'm gonna know maybe chicken adobo.
Oh, big
You like chicken adobo?
Babe, kung ulam
My
siya, ano siya, sabi niya
God,
adobo.
I love ang sarap ko mag-adobo, besh. Promise, BFF. Pagpunta kayo dito, pagpunta kayo dito sa Philippines,
Is your adobo, is your
ano ako
adobo
ng adobo?
magic sarap? Hindi, kung magiging ulam daw si Koy. Sabi ko, kung magiging ulam ka, ano ka, sabi niya adobo daw siya. Is it Koy, if you're a bayan, your adobo, right? Is it with egg?
With egg. You like with egg?
It's tasty or sabo.
Boiled egg.
You put an egg on it.
Yeah, we put like boiled
What
egg
is your
in
height,
adobo.
Koy? Hilom sa kudya, BFF.
Ha?
What is your height, Koy?
Bakit?
Not until around 5'7", like that.
5'7", 5'8".
5'7", I think approximately.
How about down there? What is the size? Huh?
It's coming probably.
I'm talking about I'm talking about your feet. What are you thinking? My God, you're nasty.
Hindi ba ako nagpanty?
Oh, Princess has no panty, Koy. You wanna see the Biringan
I
City?
don't have panty.
The portal there? There's mythical creatures inside.
You want to see my pussy looks like?
His pussy has teeth. So if you enter, you become giniling.
Hindi pa malabasan na ako.
Koy, do you have problem with your hearing? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
But why you can't understand me? Like I'm speaking clearly here. But Princess is not talking clearly, so I understand you don't
Today
get
ka
her.
diha. Doon today ka na mo is. Tarong
Bagay lang. Bagay lang.
Koy is very handsome.
But Koy improves. You improve, Koy, as I can see, because like before you don't openly open your cam. But no.
Yeah, and then
But now
his hair before your hair. You hear me? Your hair before your hair. Ano ba ni? Oy! Ano ba?
here.
Go on, please.
Yeah, here.
Koy, you hear? You hear? You hear?
About my hair.
Your hairstyle like that. But now I like it. Yeah, that fits on you.
Me too. I don't like I don't like
I
man with
like
long
your
hair.
haircut like that. I like your hairstyle like that. Because I think when I saw you before, like you brush up like this,
You're messy.
right? Or maybe you just got haircut, or what you think?
And you looking younger compared before.
Compare before. Yeah, you're looking younger.
You look younger. How about down there? Down there, do you trim? Do you?
Did you trim also?
Always a thing, yeah.
Why? Uy, pero ako, but
Wait lang.
you know what?
Wait lang, babe. You clean with gilit. Gilit.
B- BFF. Ano ba?
Yawa, man ka
Ah,
yung joke. Wala ko
ako,
gikatawan, samok.
me is me is a shaving, right?
Okay.
But I attract the person that like didn't shave. I don't know.
Oh,
Like I like hairy, but not too much hairy. I like hairy with garapata. Garapata. I like hairy koi. But it's not too shaved koi. Like there's a hairy
Babasa ko
also.
ha.
Or very or very
there's a little left
Iyon
behind.
niya. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye,
Mm.
Princess Koy. Bye-bye.
Asa naman mo?
Kuya RS. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Where you
Mulakaw
going?
ko, day.
Mamilo na siya, mamilo.
Asa ka?
Di ko na mo. Gimi tayo kag birthday, guys. Bye-bye.
Ay, shit. Go. Akit ka
There's
lang
something I
dito.
need to tell you. I have when I'm there in the Philippines for 4 months, a lot of my friends in there. I got a lot of friends. So it's just
Did
coming
you?
into my house, and they told me, why don't you try to go and undergo some auditions for Big Brother like that? But I really
Yeah,
don't like it.
yeah.
No. It's not my thing. I mean, I'm not into it.
Mm.
I'm not into that things. I don't want to be talked with somebody
Like,
on
yeah. Okay.
things, but I'd stay low key, always humble. But I'm just trying to live my normal life. That's it. That's all I want to be.
Oh, okay.
Why,
What
Koy?
is your what is your ano Koy, when you find someone like what you attract? Like
Koy,
attract.
excuse me.
Attract with a simple
Can I
person.
talk?
I will always attract
Or is
person.
yawa ka? Gilid ra ba?
Wait lang ba, klaruhin ko lang ba? Kasi Koy said earlier, you just want a normal life. So you don't have a normal life before? Like, what do you mean? I'm just confused.
Normal. So if you're in a trance or something like you don't have normal life.
Abnormal life.
That's bullshit life.
The,
Like
the way
that,
the way
Koy.
I live my life, it's all what I
Bakit?
meant. The way I
Yeah.
live
Kidding
my
ako.
life. I'd
If
rather
if
choose to
someone if
be.
someone gonna love you, Koy, you have to love him also.
Wait lang kasi.
Like love back.
No. Koy is not talking about love life. He's talking about his life. So if
Yeah,
you're
we're
if you
talking about life and
if
love
you
life.
if you're going to say you want a normal life, like celebrities just say that kind of word because they don't really have a normal life, like doctor.
Yeah, that's why he don't want to go to ano daw PBB